Hi guys, I'm Ben Acosta. This is the Tippmann Cronus Tactical Paintball Gun. So in the box, you get the marker, you get the adjustable stock, you just slide it up. You get the actual barrel itself. This is what the paintballs would be shot out of. You just twist that on. You get the mock suppressor. Put that on, you just slide it through, twist it on. And then you get the sight / carrying handle. To put that on, you just twist these little screws to tighten that. And that's the Tippmann Cronus Tactical Paintball Gun.